I was a little nervous about this training and not knowing what to expect, but I've just been so wowed by all of the resources that we've been given in the beginning.
Learning how to do some more interactive things, being able to have the students actively engaged in the learning process.
I've been using Zoom, but I'd never really heard of annotating or using some tools like that, and I think that I can really implement those into my teaching and programs.
Just being exposed to different strategies to use on Zoom, as well as other programs to be able to use with kids. Most importantly, thinking about the idea of having takeaway lessons to shorter programs so that kids can do something at home off of the computer.
I really got a lot of value out of the breakout sessions, and I'm looking forward to trying the virtual classroom within my work.
I still just have a lot of questions like how to engage students with special needs and accommodations that we can make through technology if that's what we have to do.
I'm stepping out of my comfort zone, and I'm excited to be exploring some of those video editing platforms in order to improve my technological capabilities and be able to provide programming in a new and different way.
I appreciate the time, and I did learn something new. I feel like when we changed to this virtual environment, I just got overwhelmed, like what in the world are we going to do? So I think some of these tools that we've shared and learned in the class will be helpful in terms of keeping youth engaged.
So at first, the first thing I realized, didn't think about it, don't know why, is that not every county had access to internet as much as we do in Cobb County. We haven't had any kids come to us and tell us that they can't participate because they don't have internet connection. So we're really fortunate there. We always have kids who are learning how to speak English. Digitally, it's going to be a challenge. So it's just something we hadn't previously thought about. So it was good to bring it up and discuss it, which we will certainly do.
I think it is easy to say that all of this with virtual learning and teaching is overwhelming and just trying to come through all the obstacles that it brings, and just having people on a more positive note. Part of the bud of blooming through is that we're not in this alone, but that we are growing through this together, and that we do have so many colleagues that we can share resources with and have contacts that we've made to be able to challenge ourselves with this together.